Upon entering the stadium, you have the right to verify whether the security service provider deployed is registered with CIRA. Visit www.cira.co.za to confirm their registration and training status for event security. Don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs! Welcome to our fans on the TV. It's the Carling Black Label Cup. Orlando Pirates 1, Regions by 0. I'm joined by my brother Ikamabanu Puma. Ikemi wenenjani?
Mfowamgengelo usuke endodwe emathola emnyama. Isithibo igame bimnandi. Sishaye iRichards Bay kwazwela kwenye indawo ngengisasho ukuzweleni. iPirates yabhaqabula. iPirates isesquadini bayakhala, bawina ngo4-1 bakhuluma ngenye team kodwa kuwinweball kodwa bakhuluma ngenye team so nje indaba yabo abazama ukwehlisa umoya. Befocus endaweni yabo. Ipakaniya le ngiphethe intwana eshisayo. Odansini ngiphethe intwana eshisayo. Umfuke ngenkulunkulu webhola la eningizimu ulandela uThemba Zwane. Pakaniya.
Thank you member. Thank you member. Thank you member. Thank you. Did you know you can also verify the registration status of security officers by scanning the QR code on their CIRA identification card?